Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the sound you'll build on. Open TikTok and tap the plus to create. Then tap Sounds at the top. Search keywords or browse for you to find a clip that fits your idea. Once you preview and find the right take, press the check mark to attach it to your draft. Make sure the sound length matches your concept. Trim or choose a segment now, because this determines your edit rhythm and how you'll time cuts and captions. Once the sound is attached, you dial in timing and balance. Tap Edit to trim the clip, selecting the exact start and end. Use Split to place sync points for cuts or transitions. Then adjust volume, choose between original and added audio, or add a voiceover to speak over the track. Make sure to use align and visual effects to match key beats and add subtitles for rhythm cues. This precise syncing makes your action and the sound feel intentional and watchable. Finish by reviewing the whole clip carefully and adjusting pacing before you post. Add captions, hashtags, and choose Post or Save Draft. If the sound disappears or won't play, check for a copyright notice or regional restriction on the sound. Replace with a licensed alternative if needed. If your timing drifts, reopen trim and align to nudge sync points, or re-record the voiceover while watching the sound waveform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.